A raid yesterday morning on a militia stronghold spreads a troubling message across the country today.
Confiscated evidence was put on display at police department headquarters. More than 100 weapons were uncovered during the raid. The contraband included semi-automatic assault rifles with sniper scopes, night goggles, armor-piercing bullets, flak jackets, and small plastic bombs. A group of lifelike dummies were used for target practice.
The training models that are up there, they are multi-ethnic, so ethnicity was opened. They hated just about everybody.
Also captured in the raid was a home video. We're told this video was taken by one of the militia members, showing elements of their lab, which is said to contain the chemicals and equipment necessary to make chemical weapons. No word has been released concerning what, if anything, had been produced. Our sources have verified that blueprints and maps of various sports and convention facilities, tourist attractions, and business sites in a number of U.S. cities were also recovered during the raid.